Effects of tides. With the high tide, fish move into the creek and this helps fishing activity. The tides clears the waste and hence the coast becomes clean. Due to tides, ports do not get filled with sediments. Ships can move up to ports during high tide. During high tide, seawater can be stored in salt pans from which salt can be obtained. The tidal forces can be used to operate electricity. The tides help to maintain the mangroves and coastal biodiversity. A lack of an understanding of the timing of high tide and low tide may cause accident to swimmers entering the sea. Timing of the tide. Timing of the tide gets changed every day. Difference between too high tide and low tide within a day is 12 hours and 25 minutes. So timing of tide of particular day 50 minutes ahead of earlier days tides. Waves. Waves, seawater gets pushed and ripples get generated on water surface called waves. Seawater moves upward, downward or forward, backward. Waves bring energy to coast. Waves breaks in shallow water nearby coastal area. Large small waves generate continuously. It is a natural phenomenon. Structure of waves. Structure of waves. Here this part you can see is called as crest. This is trough. The distance between two crests is called as wavelength and distance between two troughs is also wavelength. The height of the tide, it means crest up to trough, this right angle is called as amplitude. The wavelength, its amplitude and its velocity depend on the velocity of wind. Velocity of waves. If we will stand at the coast, we feel that waves are coming closer to us. The floating object thrown in sea move up and down but not coming nearby coast. Water forming waves, but water is not moving anywhere. It remains as it is. Only the energy which has created because of the wind, the energy moves. Reasons of wave generation. The main reason is wind. Waves generate due to earthquake or volcanic eruption below floor of sea. Tsunami. Sometimes these waves are destructive one. These destructive waves are due to earthquake or volcanic eruption below floor of sea. It causes tsunami. It can cause huge loss of property and life. In 2004, Indonesia, East India, Sri Lanka faced the tsunami and it was the great loss of lives as well as the property. Whenever we find such condition, we should go away from coast and go somewhere at high altitude. Effects of waves. Here in first picture you can see the different forms. Second one also some structures have shown. So because of the waves we can experience land erosion. It can create beaches from the protected locations. Here one more example have shown the erosion because of waves. Thank you.